Volcanic activity in the Valle del Bove region continues to show signs of increasing activity. Lava flows remain active and show no signs of abating, moving slowly but steadily up the mountainside like a living creature hungry for destruction. The hot lava field has now reached an altitude of approximately 1,420 meters above sea level, creating a smoky black landscape that continues to expand and erases any trace of its former natural state. The situation became even more tense when surveillance cameras recorded weak Strombolian activity emanating from the Voragine crater in the early hours of the morning. Although weak, this small eruption served as a reminder that magma pressure was still active within the volcano. Light ash emissions were seen shooting into the air and spreading rapidly across the summit area, carried by cold winds that were invisible but deadly to aviation and health. Ironically, the adverse weather conditions only exacerbated the anxiety. Thick fog and dark clouds enveloped the summit area, making it impossible to visually monitor activity there. This uncertainty created its own tension, because the greatest dangers often come from what is unseen. From a seismic perspective, the situation offered no relief. The average amplitude of volcanic tremors remains in the moderate range, an indicator that the magma system is unstable. These tremors, while not always felt at the surface, represent the mountain's constant pulse, a sign that immense energy remains stored and ready to be released at any moment. All this illustrates one reality that is hard to ignore. The mountain is not asleep. Beneath its natural beauty, the Valle del Bove is now a silent stage for the brutal forces of nature, where lava, ash, and earthquakes combine to create a slow but inexorable threat. Time seems to flow in tandem with the lava flow, slow, hot, and full of terror. Mount Etna in Italy has once again demonstrated its ferocity. Europe's most active volcano is spewing thick volcanic ash and incandescent lava with incredible intensity, creating a terrifying spectacle that has left the world breathless. This latest eruption is one of the most dramatic in recent years, sparking public concern and heightened vigilance among local authorities. From a distance, the sky over the island of Sicily appears dark. A giant column of ash rises high into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and blanketing the surrounding area in volcanic ash. Loud explosions were heard repeatedly, as if warning that natural forces were beyond human control. Hot lava flowed rapidly down the mountainside, emitting a fiery red glow that contrasted sharply with the darkness of the night. Residents near Mount Etna reported panic and were forced to restrict their activities. Volcanic ash covered roads, rooftops, and farmland, impeding breathing and visibility. Emergency masks were distributed, and several areas were placed on high alert. Nearby airports experienced operational disruptions due to the ash, endangering flights. Volcanologists describe this activity as an explosive eruption, indicating the enormous pressure within the volcano. Mount Etna has a long history of eruptions, but each eruption remains a serious threat. Unstoppable lava flows have the potential to damage infrastructure and endanger homes if they change direction. Video, footage, and photos circulating on social media show the horror of the situation. Bursts of fire, swirls of ash, and flashes of light from within the volcanic cloud created a stunning sight. Many netizens described it as hell on earth. The Italian government continues to monitor Mount Etna closely. Rescue teams and scientists are on standby to anticipate the worst-case scenario. The public is urged to remain calm, follow official guidance, and stay away from danger zones. Mount Etna's eruption is a stark reminder of the incredible power of nature. Beneath its beauty, this volcano hides a deadly threat that could erupt at any moment, turning tranquility into terror in an instant.